So my LG G5 developed a problem. Whenever I press the power button, the phone does not react. So I press it, nothing happens. I double tap, comes up. I press it, now it went away, but it's not always the case. Double tap it, press it hard, it works. Double tap it, press it gently. It's actually, press it, nothing happens. Press it, doesn't go away. Press, I think now it's just timed out. My fingerprint works, but if I use a different finger just to press it, sometimes it reacts, sometimes it doesn't. Now I press it to go away. It does work. But now I do it, you can hear the click, doesn't come up. I press it hard, it works. So we'll try to fix it. What we will need is Q-tips and some rubbing alcohol. I already put some in a container. Phone itself, you have to remove the battery. Now that the battery is removed, this is what we are going to do. So we'll dip our Q-tip in the rubbing alcohol and basically put some alcohol where the tiny little crack around that button is, and start pressing it like so, going around that button. Work that alcohol into the crack so it gets underneath that power button and starts dissolving the impurities. Just work it out. Can give it a little bit more. Okay. Now let's leave it for a few moments to dry. Now the best way to check if it's dry is basically press that button, and if you feel still some moisture, some alcohol coming from underneath, it's not dry yet. So keep on squeezing it, you'll help it out a little bit. Okay, so it's about 10 minutes. Let's put in the battery. See if it works. Let's power up.